Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from LG Q70 to an Android device. You need to begin by locating and opening Play Store app on both. Then click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. After that, you need to install this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, you need to choose I accept terms and privacy policy. Then click on Confirm below it, select Continue, and tap on Allow. After that, do exactly the same on the other device. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. In this window, you can click on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by selecting OK. Finally, click on Send at the bottom left corner of your LG and Receive at the bottom next to Send on an Android. In this ad pop-up, you need to choose the best option for you. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and select all of your files that you wish to transfer on LG. You can do that by tapping on all of those dots from all of those categories and select Send next to Selected, or just tapping on your files that you wish to transfer. I will go with this one. You need to select Send as well. In this pop-up, select Got it and choose one of those connection ways. If you want to try QR code, tap on this scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Click on while using the app or only this time in this pop-up to allow access to camera, and point your device's camera at the code. You can also input this key by choosing Input Key section, typing in all of those numbers, and connecting by choosing Receive. Now, in the matter of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!